Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so essentially here we're comparing the period of a physical pendulum B to the period of a simple pendulum A. So the period for a simple pendulum, we'll call this TA, is just 2 pi root L over G. For the physical pendulum, a bit more work goes into this. So we have to first find out what the center of mass moment of inertia is, which is 2/5 for a sphere, 2/5 m r squared. R here is L over 2, so this is 1/10 m L squared. And to find the total I, we need to add on the length, the contribution from the pendulum part. So this is ml squared plus the 1/10 ml squared for the center of mass moment of inertia. We get 11/10 ml squared. Okay, and then to find the period, we look at the square root of the ratio of the moment of inertia to the mgd, where d is the distance, it's the length of the pendulum. This is 2 pi 11/10 ml squared over mgl. This is the square root of 11/10 times 2 pi root L over G. So then the period of B is square root of 11/10 the period of A.